Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to serialize data with pickle in Python. The pickle module from the Python standard library offers tools to convert Python objects into byte streams and vice versa. Let's see example of this module use. First, we are going to import pickle, and from data classes import data class, and we are going to create a person class. Add data class. This should be add sign. We are creating a person class using the data class decorator. And now class person, and person class has a first name of type string and last name of type string. We are going to keep it simple and just these are the attributes of our class person, and now I'm going to define a method for our class. This will be def say hello, and this take a self-reference, and now I'm going to print f, and here will be hello, and then the name of a person. That will be first name, self dot first name, and self dot last name. And now we are going to create objects of our person class. So this will be people, and here we have object of our person class person. So we have a list of person objects, and our first name and last name. Then we are going to create another person. And this will be Lucas Clay. Now we are going to save data in binary format to a file. I'm going to use the with open and file dot pickle, and we are going to open this file as a write binary mode. As stream, and we are going to use pickle's dump method, pickle dot dump, to write the data of people, and to the stream. This will write our people objects data to this file, and then we are going to load data from our file. Use a pickle.load to read from file. We convert back into Python the whole content of that stream. So we are going to use with open, and we are going to use file.pickle in read binary mode. Read binary mode as stream, and we get pips. This will be pickle dot load and pass in stream. And now we can loop through our peeps and call person's say hello method. The pickle module allow us to convert to and from byte objects by means of the dumps and loads functions. For person in peeps, we are going to call persons, each persons, say hello method. And just save and run our program. Yeah, I need to change my file extension to py. This is data class. We can see say hello method was called on both of those objects. So in this program, we have a class with the attributes of first name and last name, and also a method say hello, which simply prints a hello message with the data. We create a list of instances, and then we save it to a file. In order to do so, we used pickle.dump, to which we feed the content to a pickle, and the stream to which we want to write. After that, we read from the same file, and by using pickle.load, we convert back into Python the whole content of that stream. Just to make sure that the objects have been converted correctly, we call the say hello method on both of them. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.